Alrighty, the time has finally come to do the final construction update here at Whitehaven on Edmond. It's blowing about 100 knots at the moment, so if it's a little bit windy, we apologise. But we want to showcase just how amazing this project's now, looking that it's all complete. Last time that you were here, we didn't have the driveway painted, the front letterbox stone, front fencing and all those things weren't complete. But as you can see, we are 99.9% complete with some small defect work going on, and we're pretty excited to show you the finished product. So why don't you come inside and we'll have a bit of a look around. So it's a little bit of a strange thing to be excited about, but we absolutely love the letterbox here at Whitehaven on Edmond. We've taken this Clancy, the rock that we put here across the front of the facade, and finished the letterbox off in that to try and really get it to tie in and close the project out. All of our landscaping is now done, as well as all of the services finalised. And we've got the visitor car park here and all the driveways being coated with our covercrete, as well as this prioritised pedestrian path, which is one of our approval requirements to be able to access townhouses 4, 5 and 6 front doors. Up the driveway here, we've got this star jasmine, and you can see we're just doing the final touches where we're putting this bit of wire in, where the star jasmine is going to be able to creep up over this fence. So there's nothing really that exciting to see here other than the driveway and a few garage doors. I wanted to thank everybody for following us on the journey here at Whitehaven on Edmond. It's been a really exciting project for us from start through to completion, and one that the construction teams thoroughly enjoyed building. So now the moment everyone's always been waiting for is to go inside and see the final product. So Townhouse 4 we've got all furnished. It's one of the last two we've got here still to sell. So why don't you go inside and have a look.